Leaf. So this is what we are going to study in today's video. This is again a continuation of the chapter Getting to Know Plants of class 6th. So in this video today, I am going to explain you what is the structure of the leaf, what are the different functions of the leaf, and what do we mean by the term venation, how many types of venation is there. So this is all what we are going to study in today's video. So first and foremost, what we need to remember is that leaf is a vegetative part of the plant and it is borne by the stem. Now leaf, we all know, is green in color. So this is a very important aspect to which I'll be coming little later. So as you can see in the diagram, as per as the shape of the leaf is concerned, it can have different kinds of shapes. But what is important is the main structure of the leaf, and that is that it has got a boundary which is known as leaf margin. And in the leaf, you can see that there are some kind of lines are there. These are the veins. अब ये जो veins हैं, इनका arrangement जो है एक leaf में, that is what is known as the venation. So venation can be defined as the arrangement of the veins on the leaf. Now this is of two types. अब ये जो venation है, ये दो तरह से है. Number one is reticulate venation. As the name indicates, reticulate means network or a mesh, and the veins in this case are arranged in the form of a net. And the other one is the parallel venation. Like the name indicates, they are like parallel lines which are arranged on the leaf. So it is generally in the form of the parallel lines, as you can see in my fingers. So this is how the veins are arranged on the leaf. Also remember another thing, that related to the kind of arrangement that the veins have in the leaf, that arrangement also corresponds to what kind of roots they will have. Remember that the plants which are having the parallel venation in the leaves will have a cluster of roots, and that is known as the fibrous root system. On the other hand, those which are having the reticulate venation or the network-like of venation in the leaves, those plants will have a simple root which is known as a taproot. So remember that if there is a network on the top, then the roots are simple, and if the leaf is having a simple venation like parallel venation with less veins, then it will have a cluster of the roots, and that is the fibrous roots. So just remember it like this. So in addition, what are the other parts of the leaf in its structure? So the leaf tip, that is what is known as the leaf apex, and there is a small stalk, as you can see in the diagram, by means of which it is attached to the stem, and that is known as the petiole. Now, what are the functions of the leaves? We all know that the leaf is green in color, and there is a very specific function which it is performing with the help of this green color. Just remember that this green color is due to a coloring pigment which is known as chlorophyll, and it is with the help of this chlorophyll that the leaves manufacture the food. Now this food which is manufactured, it is for the plant and also for all other organisms which are depending upon the plants for their food. Just remember that the plants are known as the producers because they are producing their own food. They are also known as the autotrophs. Why autotrophs? Auto means self, trophs means related to food. So those organisms which are making their own food are known as the autotrophs, and we all know that the green plants, they make their own food, and the leaf is the kitchen of the plant which is helping them to make the food. So depending on this, we can say that the definition of photosynthesis is the process by which the green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, water, minerals. So all these help the plant to make the food. So this is the first function of the leaf. And what is the second function of the leaf? It is that these leaves are also helping to remove the excess water which the plant might have absorbed with the help of the roots. Now the roots are absorbing water from the soil, and there might be a time when there is excess water in the plant which has to be got rid of, and the process is known as transpiration. So these are the two main functions of the leaves in the plant. So students, I am sure that you must be absolutely clear about the structure of the leaves, the function of the leaves, the different kinds of venations, what does the term venation mean, and how a leaf is a very important part of the plant. Students, just stay connected with me for the upcoming videos pertaining to this chapter and much more. Thank you so much, students.